Mae'n wyntog yma yng Nghaerdydd, mae'r glaw o gwmpas, felly mae hwnna'n dweud bod tymor criced wedi cyrraedd unwaith eto. Dwi wedi bod yma nawr ers rhyw 6 mlynedd ar hugain yn dilyn hynt a helynt Morgannwg. Beth yw'r gobeithiad felly, tymor hwn? I ddechrau, Robert, llongyfrychiadau, dwi'n siŵr bod chi'n edrych mlaen i'r tymor nawr fel hyfforddwr.
Ie, fi'n edrych ymlaen i fe, a hefyd mae pob un o'r bois mewn y garfan ni yn edrych ymlaen i fe. Ni'n gweithio galed dros y gia, ac mae'r tymor wedi dod nawr, mae'r haf yn dod a ni'n edrych yn wario criced dda. Pan ni'n glywed bod cyfle i cael y job, o'n i'n gwybod bod academi arbennig o dda, mae'r llawer o support mewn yr coaches, staff gyda ni. Felly dwi'n meddwl bod yr amser yn dda i wneud y job ac ni'n edrych ymlaen i wneud e nawr.
Beth ych chi mynd i'r gofyn o'r chwaraewyr nawr?
Pob tro mae Morgannwg yn mynd mas ar y ca, ni moyn nhw'n cystadlu ac wir ni moyn ennill pob gêm. Fi'n gwybod bod e'n mynd i fod yn galed iawn i wneud yna, ond os bod fi'n gallu weld y bois yn dod i'r popeth mewn i pob gêm nhw ar ni'n eitha dda.
Mae yna profiad yn y tîm, sef y capten, Jacques RUDOLPH, pobl fel Glamorgan fe nath yn hynod o dda flwyddyn diwetha, a hefyd y bois ifanc. A beth sy'n neis i weld wrth gwrs bois o Gymru'n dod mewn, pobl fel David Lloyd, ac felly maen nhw'n gymysgu'n dda.
Ie, mae tipyn bach o mix nawr gyda ni. Wir ni moyn weld llawer o pobl o bois o Morgannwg i ware gyda ni, ond mae rhaid i nhw bod digon dda i ware gyda ni.
Tipyn bach mwy anodd y tymor hwn, dim ond un tîm sy'n mynd i ennill farchafiad i'r adran gyntaf. 2 blwyddyn diwetha, felly mae lot o waith i wneud.
Wir, ond mae'n fwy glir i ni nawr. Ni'n gwybod beth mae rhaid i ni wneud i mynd lan i'r adran gyntaf. Ac oedd hi'n agos yn ystod tymor diwetha, ond gollon ni tipyn bach o fform ar diwedd y tymor. Ond mae garfan fwy cryf dyn ni nawr, felly mae rhoi tipyn bach o cyfle i ni nawr.
Gobeithio ar ddiwedd y tymor fyddwn ni gyd yn gweud da iawn Morgannwg i chi di ennill popeth.
Diolch.
Oh, Jack, welcome back for your second stint as Glamorgan captain. Excited?
Yeah, very much so. I must say, I think for the first time in all my years of playing county cricket, it's actually nice to come a little bit earlier, even though it's quite cold. But it's nice just to settle in, spend some time with the guys, get a little bit more used to the wickets earlier than just arriving and playing like we normally do. But I can generally say there's a great vibe at the club. I think things are moving in the right direction and the guys are really looking forward to the season. Looking back at last year, we played very well together as a team, and from potential losing positions we ended up winning games. I can think of a few games, and I think the signing of Sean Tate is a great signing for us. He's someone who bowls really quickly.
Nice to be the other end of it.
Yeah, and as a captain, it's nice to throw the ball to someone like him and see if you can get a wicket. So I think he'll be a great addition to our team.
So all in all, Jack, you're quite confident of a successful season?
Yeah, 100%. Like I said, it's nice to be back here early and settling in with the guys. And like I can honestly say, like most of the batters are in good nick. The bowlers are bowling really well, so hopefully on Monday when we start against the MCC we can get things off to a flying start.
Well, it's good to see you even though you're shivering.
Thank you.
You've made 2 very popular choices in the last couple of months. 1, Robert Croft as head coach, and 2, Alan Jones, 2 Welsh-speaking Welshmen, as president.
Yeah, two great Glamorgan people through and through. Robert's been one of the most successful cricketers that Glamorgan has ever produced. He's somebody I think the players will respond to. He's started off life as head coach in a very positive way. He had some really good experience over the last 2 years as an assistant coach, and more recently with England. He spent 12 days with England. So, we've got high hopes of Robert, and as far as Alan is concerned, he's somebody that we've all looked up to. He scored more runs in the club's history than anybody. No one will beat some of his batting records. He's a fantastic man, as well as being one of the legends of the club, and we're absolutely delighted that he's going to be president.
Wel, i ni wedi clywed wrth Hugh Morris, y prif weithredwr y clwb, y hyfforddwr Robert Croft, a hefyd y capten, Jacques RUDOLPH. Beth yw'n marn ni? Wel, dwi'n rhagweld Morgannwg yn gorffen yn drydydd yn y bencampwriaeth, a gobeithio gweld nhw mynd i'r 8 ola yn yr 20 pelawd.